Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys if you are facing that your infographic on NotebookLM not satisfying enough. I mean, you want to recreate that and then instead of creating a new prompt, and when you think your prompt already correct, what you have to do, you just go to your not satisfied enough infographic like this. Actually, I'm already satisfied with this infographic, but if you're not, you just click on your uh, the result and then click on this triple dot and then click this view prompt and sources. Okay, and then you first thing first, you have to check whether all of these sources are relevant to your intention, your goals. If not, you just copy or you can view it. You just give it a marks in somewhere on your notepad or so, and then later you generate again the infographic, exclude that irrelevant sources. Okay, once again you just scroll and find each by each, one by one, which are not relevant to your desirable infographic, and then take a note on somewhere on notepad or anything, and then later you can recreate the infographic by excluding the sources. Okay, by copying this one, and then you just can create a new one if the problem is your sources. And then the second thing, if only a glitch or something that I'm not really like this, but the context already correct, you can click this iterate, which is you can recreate the same sources, the same prompt already here, and then you can change the format, you can change anything on the previous set. So that will be take another iteration, which is supposed to be make a better infographic for you. So that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.